My name is Diego and I am back again with another video. Today I'm going to be doing another Easter video, but right now I'm kind of in a little bit, well, not a rush, but I'm trying to find some Easter eggs because if you saw my last Easter video, it was that that it said like I found an Easter egg all in my room, and I was wondering because I didn't put them there, so then I opened one and it said it just said, you know, are you ready to chase some more? Are you ready to hunt some more Easter eggs again? So I'm like, sure. So I said, hey, Easter egg video coming up. And now here it is, and I'm going to try to find some eggs. Well, I already got one off the bat. It was right here. Nice. What's weird is that these eggs, I don't know where they were, so, like, I didn't, like, set them up, but, like, honestly, just like somebody told me that there's some eggs around the house. They wanted me to pick it up. It's probably like my mom and dad. So yeah, I guess we keep it. And wait, hold on. Wow, I did not know. I did not know. Oh, here's the basket from last time. That egg doesn't count. But this egg does. Yeah. Ooh, it's got something in it. We'll open them at the end. Is there any, like, underneath? Yeah. Oh! Got another one. Let's actually put these right here. There we go. Alright. There might be some downstairs, so let's go see. Alright. Wait, any guys, I was just... Oh, shoot! Hold up. Shoot, man, I almost missed this one. Like I was about to say, like, if you're having a good Easter, but I almost missed this one. It's also got something in it. Well, I'll hold on to it. I'll keep some upstairs and downstairs. Okay, so let's see what else. What is this there? All right, so that's one down there, and it kind of flipped open. Oh, there's like a little bit of candy here, so I'll eat that maybe later. Wait, what the? Hello, Mom? Oh, God. Where's this light on? That's a little weird. I don't remember this light being on. Let's see. Where else can the X be? I don't know. I've been checking and I haven't found... Oh! Finally, I found something, and it doesn't have anything in it. Wow, nothing. Wow, how sad. You know, actually, I think we should find some outside. Here, I don't know. We haven't checked outside. Let's try to find some while we still have daylight. Hey, Zoe, want to help me find some Easter eggs? Come on, go sniff them out. She's a dog, so yeah. Yeah. Nothing. I don't. Oh, it's just the birds. Hey, Zoe, are you sniffing things out? Okay. Weird. I don't see any other eggs, so might as well head back. Wait, what the? There's a pair of goggles here. Did someone go swimming? I don't even know. Zoe, what? What are you looking at? What? Oh, what the? Okay, it's probably just their neighbors. Because that was weird. It's probably just their neighbors, even though we don't hear from them that much. But no eggs out here. No eggs out here. We already found those ones, so I don't know where else they could be. What about the front yard? We haven't checked the front yard. Do you guys see any eggs? Cause I'm not seeing. Oh, by the way, we got a couple of flowers here. There's an egg. Nice. Put it right there. Is there any other eggs in the bushes? I don't know if there's any other eggs here. Right there. Let's try to look in the trees. Whoa! You guys heard something, right? This is creepy, dude. Okay, this went to like a nice, good, fun Easter thing into kind of a little scary. Here, wait, let's see what their nice was over here. I was over there. I was like over there, but yes. I guess this was nothing. It's getting a little creepy. It's getting a little dark out here too. So let's go back inside. Okay. Found an egg. Nice. Let's take both of these eggs inside and see what we can do now. But anyways, guys, we found a couple of eggs. This was a very short egg hunt, almost, because I mean they're either outside, inside, or they could be anywhere. Plus, I'm probably gonna end the video faster because there's a lot of creepy things happening. Like, first off, I didn't leave the light on; it somehow turns on. Second of all, Zoe was very curious of what was on the side of the house, and then we heard something jawed. It was probably just the neighbors, but we don't hear them that much. And then I heard something in the front. I heard something way in the front. It was like in the bushes, but I don't know. It could be anything. It could be the Easter Bunny. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what it could be. I don't know. But yeah, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one has some candy. But yeah, 8 eggs. So cool. Nice. So I hope you guys enjoy. I was about to say, I hope you guys enjoy this video. But hey, check this out. It's another egg. And oh my god, it's the same one from the last video. Who's hiding these eggs, my dudes? I don't know. Does it have anything in there? Oh, if you can listen. There's something in there. Alright. Okay, so I'm kind of excited because we get a note. What are we going to get? Another note? Let's see. 3, 2, 1. And it's another note. Let's see what it says. It kind of looked like money for a second. Alright, it's on this side, so yeah, it's on this side. Alright, here we go. Thank you for finding my eggs. I'll take them back now. It says, thank you for finding my eggs. I'll take them back now. What the? Oh, shoot. Okay. I accidentally paused for a second, and when I turn it back on, the lights kind of... Here, let me turn them back on. There we go. Okay. Cool. That was weird, but dude, what's weirder is, or what's more weird is that it says, thank you for finding my eggs. I'll take them back now. The eggs are here. What's gonna take them back? Or who's gonna take them back? Okay, so I'm getting a little nervous, guys. First the light was on over there. Then outside we heard noises. I'm getting freaked out. But no, like, seriously, it says, thank you for your eggs, I'll take them back now. Whoa! Oh my god.